Don't take extra time and just finish as soon as possible so that we can discuss more actually. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can you send the link again?
Yeah, I didn't send it. I didn't say. I'm just selecting the quiz, which I'm just looking. I'm selecting the quiz. There are quizzes we already written, right? So that
Yes, sir.
questions might repeat. So I'm
Yeah.
just shortlisting it. 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Give me a minute. There are multiple quizzes, so it's difficult to find. That's why. Okay. Finally got one thing. Okay.
Sorry, send the link.
Yeah, I sent it. Join. Make it fast. Joined. So
Sir,
total.
it's taking time, sir. It's loading.
Sir, it is loading. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. Yeah.
Sir,
I will check
joined.
when attend and come.
Sir, I joined.
What happened? Making some noise. What noise is that?
Sir, something was coming.
Yeah, it makes noise actually. So if you join as early as possible, we can start it. Okay, shall we?
You have started, na?
Yeah, I started it now.
Actually, root 3A, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, but it's
Yes.
showing wrong, sir.
But it's
Yeah,
given
sir,
both
it's
the
saying that
options, sir.
we should click
We,
both
we can
3A
choose
square
one
and
or
A.
more options. That's how it's oriented.
Yeah, but the thing is like, how can the same thing have like two different formulas?
One
Like,
is root
Yeah.
3A
root
and
3A
other
square.
is root
How is this
3A
possible?
square.
We
Yeah,
choose
that is also
two
correct.
options, but they are giving different answers. Like how one thing can have two different formulas.
Yes, sir.
Maybe he put both in under root 3a.
But it's A, na? It is written A square. One option and one option A square.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but if root 3A square and
the
when
root is
A square is
completely.
under
I
the
guess
root,
Bhargav
then
is
it
right
comes
here
here.
actually. Like in one of the options, it's root 3A square, like both are conjoined together, like joined together. Another one, it is like separated.
Okay.
Okay, just a minute. So everyone was talking at a time, so I didn't understand what you're talking about. Very simple. So everyone was talking at a time, I didn't understand anything. Okay, no problem. Let us have a look at the questions. Okay.
But questions were not difficult, sir. But options were.
Right, no problem. See, so what is the formula for surface area of an opened plastic box?
Sir, for this question, what's the difference between L space B and LB together?
Which one? Which options? Yes.
A and D.
Yes, sir. What is
What's
the
the
difference between that,
2L
sir?
plus 2L plus 2B, 2L plus 2B.
Don't
Also
know,
H.
both of them like have
H.
no operator in between.
No, here
Yes, sir.
H.
Both of them look
Same.
Yeah, sir, they look
difference,
similar,
difference.
sir.
No, here H नहीं है देखो, fourth of A
Yes,
option,
sir.
in option A you don't have H. Are you getting, Kavya?
Yes, sir.
In option A you don't have H, option D you have H, that's why. Okay, see this type of colleague you can't, you have to look at the options properly. Okay, next, no problem. Clear? Hope you done. Next, so there is a cubicle box. There is a cubicle box whose side is 7 centimeters. Find the length of the longest stick which can be placed inside it.
Yes, sir. By mistakenly, I did
And
meters, sir. Instead of centimeter, I did
Any
meters.
doubts in this question?
no doubt,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
7 root 3.
Root 3.
Next, in a shop, there is a cuboidal fish tank whose length, breadth, and height 32, 18, 23 respectively. Find how many liters of water can the fish tank hold. So what
No
is
doubt in this, sir.
very simple? How many of you see? There's length, breadth, height given. So what formula I can use here? He's talking about what? How many liters of water can be fish? Well, like the fish tank hold means what? Capacity of the water tank is asking, which means what? Volume.
Volume.
Okay. Okay. So next, how many? I mean, how to find out the diagonal of a cube? How many have you done this?
Sir, when did they teach us how to calculate diagonals?
So this one it was actually a trick question. Yeah, because a square is joined together, right? So I guess it was whole a square. Yeah, now we understand.
It should be root 3a, sir, but two of the options have root 3 and both of them are.
Yeah,
But
that
the
because
A
of the
square is
space,
joined, right? To the root.
Yes,
the
sir.
space is the difference, or else they look so similar.
Yes, sir. It is actually you have to like concentrate on the options first.
देखो option
Nice
देखो.
one, sir. Nice question.
So, see आपको थोड़ी like one sometimes क्या होते हैं ना देखो एक एक बार आपको बहुत ध्यान से देखना पड़ता है क्वेश्चन को. ऑप्शन सिमिलर ही होता है, ऑप्शन लाइक दोनों ऑप्शन सिमिलर दिखने में सिमिलर दिखता है मगर ऑप्शन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होता है. लाइक आपको थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा. 3a स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ देखो ये क्या होता है देखो, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3a स्क्वायर एंड रूट 3a both are same actually. Am I correct?
Sir, but in the question, the root is only for 3, right? I mean,
Yes, sir.
yeah, it is given
कहाँ
only
पे?
for 3, right?
Here, अच्छा.
So the correct option one, I guess they gave
Only
like
option,
together
correct
maybe
option should
that
be,
whole thing,
yeah.
and the
Actually,
other one is like separated.
yeah. Then the option A and D should be then the option D also should be the option then if it is writing like that.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because if then option A and D and C.
So, sir, why not B, sir? Because
Yes, sir.
root 3a
Yes, option why
and
not?
root
Yes, why not? Yes, that is also a
Sir,
question.
if that's the case, then all four options.
All
will
four
be
options
there.
are right. So options are wrong. So root 3a is the right answer, but yeah, you should have given something like this. You should have given something like let's say
whole root thing.
yeah, he has given something like he has given something this and a square. देखो yeah, he should have given something like this. But this is nothing but this one. Both are correct. So root 3a square can be written as simply root 3a. Okay. So all options are correct. No problem. Just yeah. But you understood that, right? How do you find out the square root of cube? Already we have done this. I think Sujay was asked this question that day. We have proven this as well. Sujay, I don't know whether you remember or not, but I remember you asked that day. I proved this.
Sir?
That day you asked proof of this. I proved this. Don't know whether you remember or not. Please check your notebook. Okay. So find the diagonal of a cuboid. It's very simple. Then what is the answer of this? Oh, option. Two options given here. Acha, meters and centimeters. Dekho. Guys, you have chosen both the options, right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Like it's stand up.
Yes, sir.
But was there any option that choosing two options at a time or only one option?
Yeah, no, sir. There are questions like that, sir. Like
Achha,
multiple option questions.
Multiple correct option. Right. So you can choose both the options at a time. You can choose. So
yes, sir.
Yes, right. Fantastic. So guys, how many of you understood this question? Very simple. Centimeter meter में दोनों बहुत फर्क है. देखो 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter. आता है ना? How many of you know, guys? How many of you know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeters?
Sir, it's
Sir, it's
a
100
1
centimeters.
100 centimeters.
100 centimeters, no, sir.
पर मैंने किलोमीटर बोल रहा हूँ मैंने. So I'm sorry. Yes, 1 centimeter, yeah, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Yes, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. मैंने उल्टा बोल रहा हूँ. Yes, guys, look at this here. मीटर सेंटीमीटर में देखो दोनों ऑप्शन करेक्ट होता है. दोनों ऑप्शन करेक्ट होता है. How many of you got this? 13 and 9 players.
Sir, I didn't understood, sir.
You didn't understand. No problem. Look at this here. So what option you got? मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ देखो 1 सेंटीमीटर, I mean 100 सेंटीमीटर किसके बराबर होता है? 1 मीटर के बराबर होता है. एंड 1000 मीटर किसके बराबर होता है? 1 किलोमीटर के बराबर होता है. दिस ऑल बेसिक थिंग्स यू शुड नो. ओके, हाँ देखो. एंड व्हाट वाज आंसर? व्हाट वाज योर आंसर? 93, व्हाट इज दैट? 93.456. व्हाट इज दिस? ये मीटर में है, ठीक है. एंड सेंटीमीटर में करेंगे देखो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. देन इतना मीटर इज इक्वल टू कितना सेंटीमीटर होगा? यू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट बेटा? देखो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल 100 सेंटीमीटर होता है, तो 100 सेंटीमीटर, देन 93.456 meters is equal to how many centimeters? क्या करना है इसके लिए? What you have to do? Multiply it. That's it. 93.456 into 100 करेंगे तो मुझे मिल जाएगा. So 93.456 divided by 1000 into 100. 0 will get cancelled. So 9345.6 centimeter. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is what the difference. ठीक है. Next. देखो क्वेश्चन देखने में बहुत बड़ा दिख रहा है, मगर आंसर विल बी वेरी सिंपल. आई थिंक a juice is available in 2 types of containers: cubital container whose length, breadth and height दिया है.
Basically, we have to compare the volume.
Yeah, cylinder container whose height and radius are 14.9 centimeters respectively. Find the container which is more profitable. देखो which is more profitable. थोड़ा कॉमन दिमाग लगाना इधर. देखो क्यूबाइड दिया है एंड सिलिंड्रिकल दिया है. which one?
We have to find the volume.
Volume find out करना है तो profitable. When would you get a profitable? Which is whichever the solid shape has more volume, that would give you more profit, isn't it? उसमें हम लोग ज्यादा स्टोर कर सकते हैं ना जूस को. समझ में आ रहा है आपको people?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
The container which has more volume, that would give you the profit, more profit. Common sense. ठीक है. Next question. Any doubts here? आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो पूछ लेना, ठीक है. ऐसा लाइक you can't sit simply even though you don't understand that मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो फिर भी मैं नहीं पूछूंगा सर से. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं करना बेटा. देखो आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो immediately many of you ask immediately. I really appreciate that. That is a very very good thing. If you are not understanding anything, you asking immediately is very good sign for your future. But I request every one of you are not understanding even it is small, no problem. Even it is a small, you ask me. Why? Because this is a stage where you got to learn all the stuff. So after getting into the 10th standard, 11th standard, no one will explain. You will not get a chance to ask someone that in 10th and 11th and 12th क्या होता है कि you will go for 11th and 12th where you will be preparing for JEE mains and NEET, whatever you are interested in. उधर क्या होता है ना, देखो थोड़ा बेसिक कोई भी नहीं पढ़ाता है, ठीक है. बेसिक कौन भी नहीं पढ़ाता, थोड़ा डायरेक्टली एडवांस पे चले जाता है, ठीक है. एवरीवन वुड गो फॉर डायरेक्टली एडवांस. या बेसिक्स तो पढ़ाते हैं मगर थोड़ा फास्ट चले जाते हैं. उतना स्पून फीड नहीं करते वहां पे, ठीक है. नो वन विल स्पून फीड यू देयर इन द सेंस. समझ रहे हैं ना स्पून फीड मतलब? नो वन विल टेल यू 2 + 3 5 होता है बेटा, ऐसा कोई भी नहीं बताएगा उधर. समझ में? दिस इज अ स्टेज वेयर यू got to learn everything perfectly so that you can apply all this stuff in your 11th and 12th. Getting my point? Hello?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So juice is filled in a tin whose height and radius are 21.7 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of a tin used in covering the can.
Sir, we need to find a TSA.
The cost of the tin is per centimeter.
TSA into 0.9.
Yes, sir, TSA.
Total. Yes. How many have you done this, guys?
Sir, I did
Sir,
this,
me-
but I got
Sir,
a different
Mohan, sir.
answer.
Yes, sir. Even I got a different answer.
What about others? Those who how
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got the same answer.
Sir, I got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
How many of you got same answer and how many of you got different answers?
Sir, I got same answer.
Slightly
got
different,
same
like
answer,
a
sir.
point different.
The calculation mistake.
Sir,
Maybe.
calculation
I'll just check it
mistake.
again.
Yeah, you know the concept. Juice is filled in a tin. Can whose height दिया है, radius दिया है, and yeah, height and radius given. Find the cost of tin used in covering the can.
So like 2 pi r into r plus h and 0.97.
Yes, how many have you done, guys? The people who got less different answer. You know, Sujay, you got a different answer. You were saying something.
So I'll recheck my calculations.
Yes, please. Why? Because if you know that, then you can recheck it. If still you're not getting, can ask me, no problem. Next, find the formula for TSF cylinder. बताओ, देखो दोनों सेम ही है, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, दोनों मल्टीप्लाई. देखो B and C both are correct here. Wow, everyone wrote correct. Everyone wrote correctly. So find the edge of a cube whose volume is. Cube क्या होता है? Volume.
So
Guys,
cube
what is the cube of
So we can
Sir,
just
21.
21?
Then we just have to
21 into
take
21 into 21 आपको 926 दे जाएगा. All right, very simple. So lateral surface area of the cube is this much. Now find the volume of the cube. Volume of cube क्या होता है?
Sir, I have
A
question.
cube. Sir, 256 equal to 4a square, then find a, then a cube.
Absolutely. Lateral square 4a square. So yes.
A will be 8.
A will be what?
8.
Yes, sir.
8 cube gives you 512. Yes, Harini. Finding, you have to find out a value here. तो क्या मिलेगा आपको?
Yes, sir, I got.
You understood? 4a square is equal to 256. Then a square का वैल्यू कितना होगा? 64. A value 8 मिलेगा. A value 8, तो I got A value as 8. Volume of cube is what? A cube. 8 into 8 into 8, which gives you 512. देखो, mind में calculation. Everything mind calculation. Need not even put the pen on the paper. Isn't it, guys? Any doubts here? कोई किसी को doubt है यहाँ पे?
No, sir.
People, everyone.
So one thing.
Yes, Sujay.
So if you're on a laptop, can you send the ID and password in chat?
Which ID and password?
So of the class.
I didn't get you. Which ID? Which class? This class?
So yes, sir. Zoom ID and password.
No, we don't have Zoom. Like that Voice app. We'll connect with the Voice app. Let me show you.
Okay,
See, this Voice app, right? This is a Voice app. See, we find a class called 9A here. We just click on go live so that we straight away go with that. So if
actually, sir, I'm having some problems with
no problem. So I'll just send you this invite link one more time. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, I'll just send you this one more time so that you can recheck it one. Okay. Right. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, next one. Oh, 1 minute. Look at this here. So 4a square is equal to 256. 4a square is equal to 256. Nothing but a square is equal to how much? 64. तो a का वैल्यू कितना मिलेगा? 8. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब a क्यूब. 8 cube how much? 8 is 64. 64 into 8, 512. Option C is correct. Right? Hello. Here देखो option A and many of you wrote option A here. उधर centimeter cube है, इधर meter cube है. Since he has given in a meter cube, you have to choose option in meter cube. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Be careful.
Yes, sir.
Next. Then find LSA, lateral surface area of cubite, whose which has the perimeter and height 82 and 18 centimeters. How many have you done this? Option D. Option D is correct. But yes, guys, there is only like one number difference. 75, 76, 77. Dekho. Like there is a marginal difference. So be careful while you calculate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope it is clear. Direct formula में substitute करना सभी values है आपके पास. चलो. Cubicle room need to be painted. Its edge is 72 centimeter. Find the surface area need to be painted.
That should be LSA plus 1 ceiling.
Surface area. So yes, its edge is 72 centimeter given. Find the surface area need to be painted.
5a square.
Sorry?
So 5a square.
How many of you did this? three members attempt, three of you have done wrongly.
Sir, I have done a mistake.
What
Sir,
made him?
Sir, I took 4a square.
Sir,
Why?
it's actually 5a square, sir.
Sir,
Why
if you
four?
take
Four
4 square,
area,
there's like
4
no
walls plus
corresponding
ceiling.
option.
Four walls plus one ceiling.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. So if you
देखो,
take 4 square, there's like no corresponding option. It'll be like some 20,000 or something.
देखो, like you just imagine the room wherever you're sitting. Just look at the walls, like 4 walls and top one. So up to like you can't paint the floor, right? I mean, you can't paint on the place where you are sitting, isn't it? Common sense, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
5 वाल पे 5 दीवार पे लगाते हैं तो 5a square, like you could that, you will get it. Next, so there is a cubicle refrigerator whose dimensions are given this much, so find the total amount of things it can hold. तो क्या करना है? तो volume, of course, total amount of मतलब like he is talking about that capacity of that particular refrigerator, so which is nothing but volume. Okay, cuboidal, what is the volume of cuboid? Hello.
Yes, a cuboid.
देखो आपको थोड़ा like if you are a clever student, just multiply 9, 8, 72, 72, 4 to 8. The last digit should be 8. So option B should be correct here. And sir, you have option D as well, right? In option D also unit digit is 8.
Yes, sir, but there's no decimal per unit.
No. There is units. Look at the units. You have centimeter. देखो, need not to calculate. Just with the unit digit itself, you can decide the answer. समझ रहे आपको? Getting my point? Guys, you got the shortcut?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, multiply all the 49 into, let me write here if you don't understand. Dekho, what is the option? What was the dimensions? 49 into 28 into, what was that?
14.
14. So everything given in centimeters, right?
Yes, sir.
9, 8, 72, 72, right? Or else आपको ऐसे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. देखो 4, 8 कितना? 32, right? Take unit digit again. 9, right? 32 into 9. देखो कितना? 9 to 18. What is the unit digit? Unit digit should be 8. Whatever the option you get, beta, in your option, your unit digit would be 8. Okay, which option is giving me with unit digit as 8? Option B. Then option D also giving me unit digit as 8, but the units are different here. मेरा units meter में है, मगर सेंटीमीटर में दिया है, तो option B should be my correct answer, right? Hope it is clear. I am just taking all the unit digits, बेटा देखो, नहीं तो आपको ऐसे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई कर लो बेटा. 9 into 8 into 4, ठीक है? So 9 8 कितना? 72. 78 into 4 कितना? Again unit digit 4 to 8. Unit digit will be 4. Like sometimes you have to calculate in that way to save your time. So find the diameter of the cylinder whose height and the LSA are this and this respectively. Diameter of the cylinder whose height and LSA. Guys, 5 of you made a mistake. How many have you done this? 9.
Sir, I have done it.
Find the diameter of the cylinder. आपको diameter find out करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए?
2 pi RH is equal
2
to
pi
4.
For
RH.
radius, ठीक है? हाँ. Then whose height दिया है, LSA दिया है, तो can't you find out? Direct formula बेटा.
Yes, sir, 2 pi RH is equal to 299.
Yeah, 2 pi RH is equal to, and LSA दिया है, so lateral surface area 2992. So 2 pi RH is equal to that one. So yeah.
128.
Yeah, very simple. 28. Next, cubicle water tank is made of which can hold this meters. What is the find the edge? एक side find out करना है आपको. देखो 46 meter and 4600
Same
centimeter.
multiple
देखो
choice.
option A and D will be correct here. Clear? Right? So this is what the session. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have next class, so let me stop here itself.
Okay, sir.
So whatever, whatever you left with, we'll just continue in the next class. Same concept.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
think again we'll be having tomorrow, right? Again we'll be having class tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow again we'll be having. Okay.
So tomorrow not holiday, sir.
Tomorrow, I don't know. You ask Manoj sir whether it's holiday or not.
Tomorrow is Republic Day, right, sir?
Okay, let's see. Okay, thank you.